This approach reviews the corrosion process at the metal paint interface, providing insight into mechanical and chemical changes at the interface with high surface sensitivity.
Time-of-flight secondary ion mass spectrometry, or TOF-SIMS, is a powerful surface tool. It provides chemical maps with high lateral and mass resolution and allows effective characterization at the metal paint interface.
So an important tip that a new practitioner should know is to ensure that the sample does not touch the extraction cone to avoid potential damage to the instrument.
The visual demonstration of this method is critical for researchers who are new to TOF-SIMS and will help them with the fundamental analysis process.
To begin, load the prepared salt-exposed and air-exposed samples into the instrument load block. Pump down the load block, transfer the samples to the main chamber, and wait until the chamber is at or below 10 to the minus 8 millibars. Then, power up the liquid metal ion gun, or LMIG, the analyzer, and the light source. Set the primary gun as LMIG with the preferred metal bismuth and start the LMIG using predefined spectrometry. Next, use either software or manual controls to move the sample stage to the Faraday cup. Then, auto-align the ion beam. After that, start measuring the target current at the Faraday cup and select Direct Current. Click X blanking and adjust it until the target current is maximized.